Hi, this is Mark Grazier. I'm here at the Consumer Electronics Show representing Texas Instruments and low power wireless technology. And what we're featuring here is NRG and Reliant technology, basically taking devices that talk to the smart meter in the home and are connecting them to devices that you typically see drawing a lot of demand in the house. So we're going to go inside now and talk with some of our folks from NRG and see how we're using TI ZigBee wireless technology in the home. We're here today with Cal Hamilton from NRG, talking about how consumers can save energy, and specifically how devices like the wireless glue refrigerator magnet can give consumers an idea of how much pricing and energy they're consuming on a particular day, and make really informed decisions on how to move. So Cal, could we just spend a minute here just looking at what this display is all about and what you can see on the actual features of it?
Yeah, so the wireless glue in home display, the SmartLook, customers can see an instantaneous demand, kilowatt usage, and with their input price, they're able to see actual dollars for each appliance that is being used throughout the home. Customers can make informed decisions after they are given this input and feedback on their energy usage by each appliance.
So this is really about looking at all sorts of white goods that consume a lot of energy. And typically those big energy users are electric dryers, heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems, and other devices, right? So the whole idea of taking this wireless interface and tying all these devices together is to make it very efficient for both the installer and the consumer to take a look at it on a really real-time basis, right? So we're getting instantaneous data from this, from the meter, correct?
That is correct. The SmartLook communicates via ZigBee with the smart meter, and will show instantaneous demand as customers turn on the stove, your major appliances such as your washer and dryer, so customers can actually get a better idea of how much it costs to run each individual appliance.
So really this is idea for the whole family to get involved, see where they're using energy, and then more importantly, looking at ways to reduce that in the future. Correct. So there's both a cost and a benefit for us all, right?
That is correct, Mark.
Great. So besides the typical refrigerator, can you just point out a couple of the other things that we might see here in the home where this could be used?
So with smart appliances, the appliances are able to speak to the meter and recognize whether it's a peak period on the grid, and it's able to shift load. Let's say the defrost cycle of your freezer sometimes pulls maybe in excess of a half a kilowatt, and what smart appliances do shifts that load to a lower and less peak period, and helps the customer save dollars.
Great. And the other idea, like you said, is if they can defer doing their laundry until off-peak times, it's really saving them, at the bottom line later on, right?
That is correct. Customers can make that informed decision if it's not a high demand, if they really do not need their clothes immediately, right, or soon, they can put it into a delayed mode. Yes.
Right. And then the other feature that we're not showing here today is basically the electric car charging system, right, which is really the wave of the future, and really trying to introduce more demand reduction in there. And obviously using the ZigBee technology here for charging vehicles, we want to avoid all the folks coming home at 5 o'clock at night, and trying to charge their vehicle at that time and putting a huge demand on the grid. So the whole idea is, again, using this technology is to use this and stagger the charging over the 8 hours that the people are basically sleeping. And then by the time they get up in the morning, the car's charged and off they go. So it's really transparent to them.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct, Mark.
Super. Well, Cal, we really appreciate taking the time out today to show this technology. And for further information on TI products, you can go to www.ti.com/LPRF. Thank you.